Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage Alexa settings in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some suggestions and a little bit of overview of the app. From here we just go into the profile menu, which opens up like this. Then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, and then we tap on Alexa. And here we have two options, two things that we can set up. One of it is hands-free with Alexa, which means that we can call Alexa while we are driving, for example, in car mode, and tell her that okay, I need you to skip forward or skip backwards 30 seconds or whatever, or play the next title. And we have show Alexa button, which is in car mode there is a button for calling Alexa, and it's going to show that. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.